Hello everyone. Well, guess what? Today we are doing a DIY for a mermaid centerpiece. Y'all are gonna love it. It's easy to do. Well, today I wasn't planning on doing this DIY. I wonder if it's working. Okay, I wasn't planning on doing the DIY, but my plans kind of got, it's cold out there and cloudy, and it looks like it's gonna rain a little. So I'm gonna go ahead and stay indoors and do this mermaid centerpiece. Let me go ahead and go ahead and explain to y'all. Now, this, I know I hadn't done any DIY tutorials because I have been really busy, but I do it for a hobby. I enjoy helping my viewers do centerpieces and arrangements. Also, I have been doing more of my singing videos, and I enjoy doing that, all for the honor and the glory of God. I don't know if maybe later on I will have to have a channel separate from this, but right now, I'm just going to kind of have both in the same channel. Now, I did have a viewer comment that they're kind of wanting for me to explain more of the supplies and the stuff that, I use when I do my centerpieces. So I'm going to try and go a little bit more slower and be more precise in the stuff that I'm using. Okay, so of course, a crafter, when you're doing a project, you always need your basic things, your scissors, your glue gun, your glue sticks, your wire cutters. So that's what we're going to be using today. We're going to need our scissors, our glue gun, our glue sticks, and I'm going to be using these little sticks. I wonder why it shows that it has a whole bunch of minutes. Hope it's working. Okay, so we're going to be using these I'm going to be using these for the tissue paper to glue them, and then put these in the foam. We're going to be using some foam, and these are like little square foams. You can find these at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to need the foam also, and then we're going to need the sticks we're going to be working with, and the tissue paper. And usually the mermaid colors, which is the blue, the purple, the turquoise, and if it's like for a little girl, you can put a little bit more pink on there. Okay, so for the base of the centerpiece, we will be using like a box. And this box, I had it, in the storage, but you can, get you a cardboard little box or whatever you can find, even if you find it at the Dollar Tree or something. This was kind of like a picture thing. I liked it because it's made out of wood and it's sturdy, but any base that you can find to do your centerpiece would be good. Okay, so what we're going to do with this, we're going to go ahead and paint it. This is a turquoise color, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. They have paint now, and that's just really good. And so I went ahead and I painted the box. Then you're gonna let it dry, and then let me see, I have some right here. Okay, after you paint it and stuff, you're gonna let it dry, let it set, let it dry, and then you can get I got me some of these at Walmart, or you can buy you these at the Dollar Tree. And these are the colors that we're gonna be using: the blue, the purple, and the turquoise. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just get you some glue spray. You're gonna get you some glue spray and spray this after it's dried, and then you're going to go ahead and add your glitter all around the box. Okay. And then I found these little shells. There were the Easter egg shells at Walmart. So I went ahead and got me some, and I done the same process. I painted them, and then I put glitter on both sides. Then I went ahead and I glued the and back of there. Okay, so this is what we're going to, this is the way the box is going to look. So you're going to go ahead and in the bottom of your little box, you're going to go ahead and you're going to glue this to the bottom. Then I went ahead and got a little glass candle holder from the Dollar Tree, and I glued it on top of the foam. Then I went ahead and I got my little sticks, and I put my tissue paper. You're gonna get your tissue paper. You're gonna cut your tissue paper into squares, kind of like this. If you want them a little bit bigger, you can, you know, make them a little bit bigger. You can put different colors. Always get the middle of it. Get it like this. Put glue on your little stick, and then just glue it to here. And then once you have your glue in there, you're gonna put them all around your little box, all around that little foam that's there. You're gonna put these around that foam that's there also. Then I went to the Dollar Tree, and I also found me these pins. Aren't they cute? So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave them like this, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use these little pins also to put in the centerpieces. You can also put foam, if it's like for a 2-year-old or 4-year-old, you can also incorporate numbers, a number into it. Now, you'll probably need to put more foam around here, that way it can hold all the stuff that you want to put in there. Okay, so we have all this, and then I went ahead and, okay, I gotta show y'all these also. These are at the Dollar Tree also, and it's a bottle, and it has the little shells, all the little shells. And this would be good that, you know, you can also incorporate this into your little box. You can, you know, glue it, put a, you know, stick and glue it, and put it in here, you know, somewhere. You know, you can even glue it right here to the box. I think I'll do that. Now, I'm not going to do that right now because, you know, I'm just kind of showing y'all how, you know, y'all can do this little box. It's so easy to do and so inexpensive to do it. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and glue it. Put a lot of glue. Be careful you don't burn yourself. Okay, and then you can add some more stuff like in the middle. You kind of want it, you know, to stay. Okay, then I went to the party card, and then I got these little mermaids. Aren't they cute? And this is the one that we're going to be using for this centerpiece. Okay, this is going to need, and we're going to put it just right here. Doesn't that, it's already coming together. You keep on putting the tissue paper all around there. She could even be holding that. Her little hand up here. Then we also have, if you don't want this one, you can also, we have, there, I found this one at Walmart, and it's a little mermaid also, that you can put her instead of putting this other mermaid. But there's, in this, possibilities that you can do here. You can add some more stuff. Of course, you're gonna add more tissue paper all around there. You can add candies. You can add more of the shells. Just so many different things that you can add to the centerpiece. So wasn't this so easy to make? Okay, my next centerpiece that I'll be making will be a frozen centerpiece. So y'all keep an eye out for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and y'all can get notifications every time I post a video. And thank you for watching, and y'all have a great day.